Hello and welcome back. So we do now have an admin section here, but let's fix it up a little bit. So first of all, let's remove all the links here. We don't need them. We just need 3 of them because all we need is a dashboard. We need posts, and then we need categories. That's all we need for now. Maybe users as well. Let me change the ones I can, and then we can see what we can do. So we will go to the header, not the sidebar. Okay, so here are the links. Now we can order these things a bit better. There's for some reason they don't look well organized. So let me select everything and Shift Tab to move them a bit backward. Okay, that's much better. Let me close this up a bit. Okay, so dashboard is fine. Let's remove the included here. We don't need this at all. And then instead of UI elements, let's change this to let's say posts. And then here I'm going to change this to categories. And then let's try users. QR code, I'm going to try user here, like so. Okay, that should do. Let's see how that changes things. Refresh. Okay, very nice. Posts, category, users. I think for now that's all we need. The rest can be removed. We can keep in mind that we still have the blank HTML, so we can always go back if we need to get some more HTML from there. So I will remove all this, move this backward, like so. Okay, that's much better. All right. So then what we need also is to go up to the header blade here. There's a part that says Logout there. So I need a similar thing, but for the view website, because we need to be able to go to the website from this location. So I will duplicate this like that and just say website. Maybe we put view website like this. Okay, refresh. View website, logout. Now these guys are way too big, but I guess these are the styles that we are stuck with. But let's just add a style and put font size. Let's try 20 pixels. I'm not sure how many pixels. Full colon 20 pixels. I'm not sure currently how many pixels this is. Okay, that's much better. So view website, logout. So you can style them as you wish, of course. And then here on the href of the view website, on either of these, let me put some brackets, URL, and I'll put a slash in there like so. And then I will copy this to this part and then just put logout here. We haven't made the logout page yet, but there we go. Okay, very good. And let me check back what I need to change again. Okay, so we have that blank page written there. That should be inside the admin blade itself here, blank page. And then let's change that to admin. Okay, so let's save that and let's come back, refresh. Okay, so perhaps this is looking more like an admin area after all. Okay, good. Now, as you can see here, category is selected. So let's see what is selecting that. So if I go to the sidebar, let's see categories, and it is selected. So it says there's a class of active link. So that's what's causing that. So if we move this class to, let's say, the dashboard inside there, that should change where we are pointing. So back here, refresh. As you can see, that has changed, which is good. So let's add some valid links here. So the href here should match. I'll do that. I'll say URL. And this is the main admin area. So just admin like that should do. Let's check this here. And let's put this other one there as well. And this one as well here. So these guys are going to be admin slash users, and then here slash categories, and then here it is slash posts, like that. Okay, pretty good, pretty good. So back here again, refresh. Now if I hover on this, I see the links, the appropriate links that I need. So if I click on posts, it's going to tell me not found, obviously, but it's not an issue. So what we can do is, let's go to the admin controller here, up to the admin controller. There we go. And so all we need to do now is make the appropriate functions for each one of these. So the same way we have the index here, all I have to do is duplicate this a couple of times. So 1, 2, 3. How many items are here though? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That should be enough. So we have the index here, and let's change this one to posts like this. And then let's change this one to categories. Let's change this one to users. Oops. Like this. So you can put comments to remind yourself what's going on. So in either case, this loads up the admin just like that. It's the same thing we're loading. The only thing different should be which of the items is selected. So what we can do is add a variable here that is called page title, page underscore title is equal to, and then here we just say dashboard, for example. Dashboard like this. Okay, pretty good. And then here now we can add this dashboard, this page title. Let me do this, say page title, and then do that, and then add page title like so. Okay, great. So I could have just written the text here to save myself some time. So maybe I can do that. Just put dashboard here, like so, and then I can remove this, just to save on adding more code. So I will copy this and put it on all of these guys. Paste like that. Okay. Then just change the title. So here it's going to be posts. Here it's going to be categories. Let me put that capital there just for consistency. And then here it's going to be users. So we have page title there, which is good. Which means if I go to the blade here, instead of admin area here, I can choose to put something else. So Instead of this, I can do page title, like so. Okay, great. If I now refresh, I have dashboard there, which is awesome. But these others won't work just yet until we add the web routes here. So we already have one of these for the admin, so let me just duplicate it a couple of times. So we have admin / posts, and then we have another one / categories, and then we have another one / users. Yeah. So in all of these, we still need the auth there to be active. And let's just change what functions are going to be activated there. So same here, categories. Do not put the capital there, it should be a smaller term. And then finally, users. Goody. Okay, very good. Now we have those, but I want it to be active when we click on one of these. So let me show you here for a second. If I refresh the page and click on posts, I do get posts, categories, users. So as you can see, the pages are changing, but the highlight here isn't actually changing. So let's fix that real quick. So I'm going to go to the sidebar.blade. So all we have to do is put this one here. And to do that, we just need to check if this is equal to something. So I'll copy this, come back to the sidebar, and then on this point I will put an if statement. So instead I will put some PHP code like this, and then I'm just going to say if, let's see here, page title is equal to, and here it should be dashboard. If it's equal to dashboard, then put the question mark, and then I will put single quotes on active link. Otherwise I put a full colon, and then I put like that, and then close the tag like this. Okay, so hopefully that actually works. Let's try it out. Refresh. So you see we're on users, it has disappeared. If I click on dashboard, it's active, but it's not active on the others. It has disappeared on this, but I need it to be active on the correct one as well. So all I have to do is copy this and select all of these and paste, only to change this one right here, and that should change to posts. This should change to category, and then this one will change to users. Very nice. Okay, so that should do it here, and I'm going to refresh. Okay, so you see user selected, categories, yes, selected, posts, yes, dashboard. Right, this is awesome. So all we need now are tables here to represent our data, and then we can start posting new stuff. But if I click here, I should be able to go to the actual website. Very nice, very nice. And now I need a link to the admin page, which I can add if I go to my footer. And this is the footer for the, not inside the admin page, but down here, footer.blade. And then right where we had added login